Hi everybody, it's me, Sailor Moon, and it's me, Sailor Venus here, and today we're gonna, talk about the burping in our videos, and I guess that's probably good to talk about it, because we made a video talking about it, and there might be some people out there who might think that was planted. You know, like, we go out of our way to, say, okay, we're going to burp in this video. Well, the truth is that we don't plan it out. You know, it just happens. Either it happens or it doesn't happen, but at least we apologize for it. Go back to all of our videos that we've done when this burping problem started, and you'll know that we apologize every single time. Okay? Now, some people might say, hold on, let's get the hair fixed. Now, some people might say, you really shouldn't be doing that at all. And that's more easier said than done. Like, I know that people don't have any control over that sort of thing. So, but they're like, within their argument might be, well, you're publicly making videos for people to watch, and it's almost if you're in public. Well, I guess in a sense it is, but if it was public, I wouldn't have been I would be able to apologize for it, true. But at the same time, that'd be all I could do about it. You want to go on? You want to go, Sailor Venus? Sure. Now, some people out here, granted, they might say, why is the burping going on? Why are we doing the burping? I don't know. It just started, I don't know, sometime this year, you know. Sorry for that burp. See, it just happened there. Apologize for it. I mean, it started this year. We don't know why. We make a video. Next thing you know, there'd be a burp coming out. You know. And I don't know why it is. It just is. You know. There it goes again. I don't know why. It's funny because when we're not making a video, the burps aren't there, but when we want to make a video, the burps are there. And it's not like we sat there and say, hey, how can we make our videos more entertaining? I know. We'd start burping in them. Well, it was not like we planned it out. You know, and we apologize for every burp we ever did in every video. And that's all we can do. You know. And that's about it. You know, I can't really say any more about it. If there's people out there that want to, you know, make fun of us for the burps in the videos or whatever, that's their own choice. They want to try to bully and harass us, or someone wants to try to give a hard time for burping, and it's just block and ban, okay? That's the end of it. Sorry for that burp. Hey, we already apologized, but do you want to finish the video off? Yeah, Sailor Venus, the point is, we're sorry for the burps. We don't really get much control over them. All we can do is control how loud they are, or how quiet they are. But we really can't control them happening. And we apologize for them happening in this video. That's all I can do. Like I said, it's not like we sat there and say, okay, we're going to plan it out, we're going to put a burp here, and then we burp there, and, you know, it just happens. It's not like we planned it out before we made this video, you know. Sailor Moon, Sailor Venus, see you later.